ignition. Run your mouth, but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah, this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby.
Good morning, everyone. It is a Monday morning. It is currently 8 a.m. Woke up at 7:30, rolled around in bed for a little bit, stretched for a little, and now I'm up at my workstation just trying to tackle all this tasks. And what I do every single day before I go to bed is I write down all of my tasks that I have to do. So in my little notebook right here, I have like my itinerary kind of stretched out, all the tasks that I have to do. Besides my tasks for the day, I'm actually going to do this while I do my new face. I'm going to use a little bit of the Sears Ample as a base because I don't have the primer, and I actually do have a whole video on YouTube around what alternatives you can use and how exactly to use the new face. So this is my morning ritual. So yeah, you guys have probably heard me talk about this golden coil notebook all the time on Instagram as well as YouTube. But this notebook has been a godsend for me, and I can't believe it's already April in a couple of days. So now I have my new week laid out. I already started writing in it last night. This planner and kind of setting goals for myself and tasks for myself that I absolutely have to finish on a daily basis. That allows me to kind of stay on track even while I am quarantined at home. When you're just like staying at home all day, it feels like you're not really actually working, and it's so easy to kind of fall in the trap just watching Netflix shows during the daytime. I never ever do that. I make sure that I'm at least working from 8 to 6 every day and running some short errands, or actually having an hour-long lunch, that kind of stuff throughout the day. But other than that, I don't really have like leisure time, and that keeps me really busy, so that after dinner time, then I can actually relax and all of that. So yeah, this is going to be the first to like a stay home with Ava series, because I do want to show you guys some little snippets of what I do, incorporate some skincare, beauty, and lifestyle things in my vlogs, because I feel like those are a little bit more natural, and I will still be doing like review videos, sit down videos, and all of that. But this is a lot more casual. You can actually see me incorporating and using these products in real life. Well, now that I have my lemon water, I'm gonna just write down some of the other tasks and get organized before I start the day.
So much pain, I'm drowning in liquor. Never been sicker, I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more.
So this is what my journal looks like now. It is April's time. So I have my calendar, and then I have my idea notes. So typically I kind of write down my content ideas here, whether it is TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, and other ideas that I kind of jot down by that. And then I do have my projects. So whether it is a YouTube project that I want to tackle like a certain topic, then I will write that there. There are other projects that kind of gets filled up throughout the month. So I'm excited to write my first one out. And this is my favorite page where I write down my goals, and then by monthly goals. So I typically write down, like if it's a wedding related, all the tasks I have to do related to wedding, and then goals for the month, and see if I tackle those too. So, working out is a big goal, and I want to at least do it 5 to 6 times a week. So I'm going to see if I can keep through with that. Cutting out sugar, I shall do that. Now we get into my first week. So these are work-related things that I want to do, personal things, and other priorities that I want to get into, gratitude, and some other habits that I do every day. So that's kind of repetitive, but I like having that little reminder here as well. So this is my breakfast this morning with the banana bread I made yesterday. I can post a recipe soon. And I made it a photo shoot opportunity on bed because it was just too cute not to capture. So I had my coffee. I'll show you guys the final picture that I did produce. Now I'm actually going to indulge and enjoy this. So I'm going to do a workout class with my friends right here. Set up. So we're going to be doing some self job workout right here. fun. So now I'm just gonna go make a little protein smoothie. Here's my smoothie. I think it's so important to do some workouts at home with your friends or doing it live. It feels like an actual workout class. You feel accountable, you can't really rest during the time, so it's super fun. So I encourage you guys to get your friends together, do a Zoom, and then tune into a live class. It was so fun. I'm definitely gonna be doing more of these sessions, and now, here we go. Okay, we are venturing outside right now because I desperately need some food. Trader Joe's next to us is closed because someone working there tested positive for COVID-19. So, and all these delivery options suck right now. So I'm literally going to check out a fruit cart because sometimes they sell obviously fruit and veggies as well. So it's the only option I have right now. Wish me luck. Okay, so I just went to the fruit mart this morning and this is everything that I got. I got this whole bag of bananas. There's like freaking 7 or 8 in it for $1. The rest was slightly pricier, but still I'm so happy that I at least got these so I can make dishes. Hi. Hello. I'm good. How are you? I know, doing a live chat like this. Well, it's crazy in New York. I feel like New York is like... is done cooking. There is nothing like a fresh pot of rice. Fresh pot of rice, some leftover curry from last night, and this is gonna be my lunch today. And here is yummy lunch. So love that we can make 2 uses out of a curry dish. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. I finally got my pressed juicery order. I had to get like nationwide shipping because the one next to me, they closed down. Maybe I think someone tested positive for COVID-19. So this took a little longer to get, but still, I was dying to get my juices and shots. And I tried to be strategic with my order this time. These are my favorite snacks. They're gluten-free peanut butter chocolate protein balls. So delicious. So I actually got 2 of these. Some coconut balls today. Got some roots juice. This has beet and carrots, which I love. And then I got like, they had a promo where 6 of these shots were like $16 or something. I got 6 of these elderberry shots. I love how it tastes because the ginger ones from there are a little too strong for me, so I don't love them, but those are the juices. And then I got a lot of like aloe vera and chlorophyll water. I feel like that would be really helpful in a time like this right now, just to get some more extra energy. Got some greens juices for my fiance, he likes these. So this is the final haul of everything I got from Pressed Juicery. I'm so grateful I was able to get these juices during these times, so I'm definitely going to take advantage of these shots and juices and just try to stay hydrated and healthy. H-Mart delivery finally came after 3 weeks. I am deeply regretting not getting more because when we ordered this like 3 weeks ago, we didn't think we would be in a situation like this. But anyways, ramen, this is the best ramen, don't argue with me. It's my favorite ramen ever. Some radish is an essential in the fridge to make so many different things, especially some hot. Best crackers. I really wanted my fiance to try these because apparently he's never tried these home number before. Oh my god, another Spam. We're living on Spam these days.
And I feel like so many things on there were like overpriced than what I'm used to, but that's okay because times are dire. We got some pork belly, so we're gonna do some K-barbecue at home with this. I'm so excited for that. Tofu, some for BCD tofu soup. And then we got sundae. If you guys don't know what this is, you might be grossed out, but this is one of the best Korean dishes there is out there. I thought I got more ramen. You know what? Yeah, we didn't get 3 ramens because they were all out. This is the reality. We were just checking the things that we got, and we have a couple of things that are missing, even though they said it wasn't out here. So I'm very confused right now. I'm gonna have to give them a call, but this is all we have right now. It's so sad. Such a sad delivery. Oh my god. All right, this is the final food delivery. I got some stuff from Iherb. If you guys don't know Iherb, they honestly have so many more selections and at a really affordable and good price compared to Amazon. I mean, it's like impossible to get stuff on Amazon. So I just ordered a couple of like small necessities I couldn't get on Amazon on time. I mean, like this delivery, I ordered it 2 days ago and it's already here. The first one, we got some cereal. I love cashew cereal and it's impossible to get cereal these days. And from here, I just got like things that I can like really make use of for quarantine food. So I got more oatmeal, some flaxseed. I definitely want to try incorporating these into some of my oatmeals as well. Some more snacks. Oh, I've been really wanting to try this banana flour. We'll see how it is. I've been seeing people use this instead of flour as like a healthier alternative that still has a lot of fiber. So, and of course, more peanut butter. And this will keep me alive for God knows how long. But all right, that's the final haul of when I eat.
Guys, we're bringing Korean barbecue to you tonight. This is our order from H-Mart, despite the fact that we didn't get a lot of stuff, but we decided to bring some Korean barbecue because we haven't eaten like proper meat in such a long time. So we got some pork, some dumplings, all the veggies and all the sauces you need for that, and rice. So this is our little mini feast for tonight. Woo!